Happy birthday, buddy.
Who's that? What is it?
It's a tractor.
Who's in the tractor? Who's that? Who is that? Who is it? A monkey. What monkey is that?
Curious George, monkey. Sure. Look at that.
You can go sit and drive it.
Are you going to drive it? What? Yeah, you can turn and go. That would be really fun, huh?
You want to sit down in it?
You want to do it?
No.
You going to try?
Yeah, you got to turn it
Push the
on.
pedal. Can you push the pedal?
Yeah.
No.
It's okay.
And it turned that
Yeah.
way.
Let's put George away and then we
Put George
can
over here.
go look outside. Let's go
Push the
outside.
button.
I can't.
Can you show him how to do it?
No.
Watch out. See?
You got to turn it on.
Yeah. So you push it forward, you go forward. Okay, now push it. Push the pedal.
Uh-oh. No, I want to move.
Yeah, we got to move it. Let's push it. Ready?
Push, go.
I can't put on my shoes. Too big.
Too big. We'll push really hard.
Push.
My feet's bigger. I can't do it.
Can you push it really hard and go?
Uh-oh.
Why don't you show him, Daddy?
Look.
Watch
That's
this. Ready? Here
okay.
it goes.
It's too loud.
It's not too loud. It's okay.
Uh-oh. Seat.
What?
I need not see people sit.
Yeah, you can have people sit by you. And when Tommy gets bigger, he'll come and sit by you too.
Push the button. So you can drive it.
Oh.
See, watch this. You can also dump.
That's pretty cool, buddy.
No, that's a tractor.
Yeah.
This is
It's like a tractor. It's called a gator.
Yeah, there you go.
There's wheels.
Yeah, turn the wheels and you can go.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, it's okay. You can go.
Put your hood on and then you
Go.
can go. You put your hood on?
There you go. Go.
All right, you ready?
Come out here. Push it.
Uh-oh, you get ready.
It's okay.
Go. See how fast you can go.
Uh-oh, you need coat.
Yeah, Daddy probably needs a coat.
I'll go get a coat. Push the button. Let's go.
Go.
Okay, push the button. Push the gas pedal with your foot.
It's driving.
Yeah, you can drive all by yourself.
Right here.
No, it's too big.
Not too big.
No.
Yeah, there you go.
Push it. Push and hold. You gotta hold it down. You step on it. Can you step on it? No, you gotta you gotta push it down all the way. It's pushing the bottom, that's the problem. Push the top.
Show him how to do it.
Yeah, you gotta push right up here.
Yeah, there you go. Hey, stop.
You're
When you
okay.
want to stop, you just lift your foot off the
Watch, now
pedal.
you can go backwards. Ready? Watch this. We're gonna go backwards. Push the
No,
button.
no, my
You want to go back in? Turn the wheel.
Go. No, you're not. You're going forward. Push. You gotta push the button. At the top, remember?
Okay, let's go inside. Yeah, the monkey can sit right there by you.
Drive in there. Push it. You got it. No, you're gonna go that way. Watch.
There you go. Keep going.
Stop here.
You want to stop right there?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm staying.
You want George to come sit by you?
Yeah. Uh-oh. What's this?
That's a handle so that you can hold on. Okay, George, hold on.
Oh, it can't talk.
He's pretty big,
He
huh?
can't talk. He's George. He goes.
What does George say? What does George say? Yeah, you can go. Go ahead.
I stay here.
You want to sit here?
No, I go here.
Okay, go there.
How about right here? Can you go right here? He goes like.
No, I go right here.
Okay.
Oh, right there.
Yeah, he can get out. Yeah, he can get out.
That's a good driver.
Yeah, you're a good driver.
It's not down.
You want to go that way?
If there's any sign of what it's gonna be like when you're 16,